Hello, and welcome to Lesson 1. What is ChatGPT? In this lesson, we're going to explore ChatGPT, a powerful tool that can help you in many ways. You'll see how this smart assistant can make your work and life a lot easier. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. Think of it like a virtual assistant that can generate text for almost anything. It's like having someone on standby, ready to assist you 24/7, no matter where you are. So, what can ChatGPT do for you? Well, ChatGPT can write articles, blog posts, and answer all kinds of questions. It can help you come up with creative ideas for your business or projects. ChatGPT can help you design amazing visuals and animations using advanced software. ChatGPT can help you write coding, develop or create applications for your business. It can help you create a personal product, either digital or physical. There is literally nothing that can't be done using ChatGPT, no matter your line of business. ChatGPT is one tool you must not joke with if you want to take your business to the next level. Even if you are a social media marketer, ChatGPT can help you scale your business really fast and help you stay above your competitors. All you have to do to leverage the power of these amazing tools is to understand the proper way of prompting ChatGPT. And that is one of the aims of this course. So pay close attention as we proceed. Let's see how ChatGPT works in real life. I'll try a simple prompt and see how it would respond. I'll type in a simple prompt like, "What is ChatGPT? Please pay close attention."
I'm a smart AI language model created by OpenAI, designed to assist you whenever you need me. I'm available 24/7 for your needs.
That's amazing, right? Let's try another example using a simple prompt. Can I make money online with ChatGPT?
Absolutely. ChatGPT can help you earn online through the following ways. Writing content like blogs, ebooks, or scripts for your presentation, Africa folktales, business proposals, and lots more. I can offer freelance services such as copywriting or social media management. I can help brainstorm business ideas or product designs, such as this product you're learning from.
How about that? There is so much to do with ChatGPT, and that's the reason for this course. All I need from you is your undivided attention. We have now wrapped up Lesson 1. What is ChatGPT? In the next lesson, we'll dive into how ChatGPT works, how to properly prompt it, and how you can start using it for your benefit. See you there.